Woodworking. Start a woodworking business from home. Introducing the world's largest collection, 16,000 woodworking plans. Hi, Lee Cusano here. Are you serious about starting your own business from home? A home-based business? Maybe make money from a profitable hobby that you love? Doing something you love seems like it would almost guarantee that you will make money. What if you had a way to make money from home where you could maybe work out of your basement or your garage? Wouldn't that be fun? A woodworking or furniture building business is really popular these days. You can even get started with minimal equipment. You can buy better tools and better equipment gradually as you start to make money. You can even be a stone cold newbie at woodworking, and this link below has everything you will ever need to succeed in starting your own woodworking business. Announcing the world's largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. The link for these plans is just below this video. This is what will give you a competitive edge on anyone else. These 16,000 woodworking plans are highly detailed plans with nothing left out, no guesswork. Each step is clearly shown in detail. These detailed plans are now available for anyone who would like to save big making their own furniture or make big profits building and selling their own tables, cabinets, outdoor furniture, crafts, etc. There are lots of exciting projects to choose from. Anyone who wants to start their own home-based business building all kinds of awesome projects that command huge profits needs this large collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. Again, no incomplete plans, no guesswork. These are highly detailed plans that will make your projects possible to complete and ready to sell. Plus, there are tons of videos and other manuals that you will receive as bonuses. With such great diversity of woodworking projects, you will be able to specialize in just one area even. Just click the link below this video now to see more.